From schools to daycares now. Babies born at the start of the pandemic not really knowing a world before mask guidelines and social distancing. And according to one daycare in the Valley, it's having an impact on their social skills as restrictions begin to ease. Here's Channel 5's Stephanie Rosales.
Diane Nichols runs the Magic Kingdom Learning Center in Harlingen. In order to keep kids in her care safe from COVID, she and her staff wear masks and sanitize frequently, especially since the COVID-19 vaccine is only available for those 5 and older. Nichols knows the importance of masks, but says she notices there is a change in the newborns and toddlers at her center.
We're seeing less ability to interact with their caregivers or with their co-students in their classroom.
She believes masks limit the connection between the young kids and teachers. With 30 years of childcare under her belt, she is noticing a trend in children born during the pandemic.
There's a little bit more like hitting and crying and frustration because they just have not tuned in to that emotional side of them and others.
Dr. Cristel Escalona is the Division Chief of Pediatrics for UTRGV School of Medicine. She explains babies and toddlers are watching the people around them to learn how to behave.
Whenever they're in a daycare, I mean, obviously their teacher is who they're taking all their social cues from. And so if the teacher has a mask on, the kids can't see exactly what's happening. As humans, we're social creatures. And so if there's anything that the pandemic has done is limited our social interaction. So does it affect the little ones? Absolutely. But that's why as parents, we have to make up for it.
Dr. Escalona recommends parents set up play dates with trusted families to help with children's social skills. She adds parents should not worry.
Kids are resilient and amazing, and they'll absolutely be able to catch up whatever, deficits that they have as far as their social interactions and social cues.
The CDC recommends indoor mask wearing for child care center staff regardless of vaccination status and masks for children older than 2. Doing so helps prevent the spread of COVID in the community. Stephanie Rosales, Channel 5 News, this weekend.